Are you worried about stains on your natural stone? Maybe you just had some gorgeous marble installed, or you're trying to decide if marble or other natural stone is right for your project and your lifestyle. Hi, I'm Kelly with Arizona Tile, and we're partnering with Beyond Stone Solutions, a leader in natural stone care, and a team we've trusted time and time again to maintain the natural stone in our showrooms to help demystify the reality of caring for natural stone. If you haven't seen the other videos we've worked on together to identify stains and remove them, you can check them out in the description below. Okay, Efren, let's jump into it. What would you suggest to a customer who is hoping to prevent stains from happening?
Thanks, Kelly. As you can imagine, that's a really common question we get, whether the stone has been freshly installed or we've just provided a service to restore it. The real hero in stain prevention is, of course, the sealer. A high-quality sealer is far and away one of the best ways to prevent stains and surface damage on your beautiful natural stone.
I agree. Sealer is so important when living with natural stone. We always let customers know that they'll need to seal their stone and reseal it periodically. And we always recommend the water bead test to determine whether it's time to reseal. Is that what you recommend as well?
Yeah, the water bead test, where you put a little bead of water on the surface of the stone and see if it's beading up or spreading out and absorbing in, right?
Right. If it beads up, your sealer is still intact. But if it's spreading out, that means some of the water is soaking in and it's time to reseal.
We agree. That's a great way to quickly test to see if your stone is ready to be resealed. But we recommend putting a little extra time into it. Put some water on top of your countertop or tile and wait approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Then wipe it dry and wait an additional 2 minutes. If the surface of the stone did not darken, that means the stone is still perfectly sealed. But if a dark spot remains, your stone should be resealed, and be sure to test in various areas, especially those areas that might get more use.
Oh, I love that. Give it a little extra time to soak in, just to be sure.
Exactly. Basically, a quality impregnating sealer will fill in the pores in the stone and inhibit staining agents from being able to penetrate into the stone surface. Keep in mind that the impregnating sealer does not protect the surface from etching or chemical damage.
That's right. You mentioned that in the video we did previously when we discussed how to identify stains. Now let's go beyond sealing. Let's say the homeowner understands the value of keeping their stone sealed and has gone through the steps you described to ensure it's done right. Is there any other advice you would give to them to help prevent staining and surface damage?
For sure, cleaning your surfaces is a huge help to reduce likelihood of damage. You should clean your stone surface regularly with a stone-safe, soap-free, and neutral cleaner, such as Easy Oxy Multi-Surface Cleaner. Easy Oxy Multi-Surface Cleaner is an oxygenated, non-abrasive cleaner that's safe to use on stainless steel, stone, and other hard surfaces, and fabrics as well. This will help remove soil such as grease, ink, crayon, red wine, and much more.
That's amazing. We get asked all the time about using bleach, Windex, or even those magic erasers. What do you think about that?
I would advise against using any cleaning products unless the label specifies it's safe for natural stone. You may also want to make sure you're cleaning up any spills as quickly as possible. The longer a spill sits on the surface of your stone, the more likely that a stain will occur.
That makes perfect sense, but what if you have a child or a pet that knocks something over while you're not around and it sits long enough to dry on the surface of your stone?
In that case, you're going to want to spray your neutral cleaner onto the affected area and let it sit a while to moisten and soften the soil before scrubbing. Let the cleaning agent do the work. It'll make your job easier and will be way more effective. Once it's sat on there for a while, you can use a microfiber towel to wipe it up. If that doesn't work, you can even try Easy Scrub, which is designed for more stubborn spills. Absolutely under no circumstances, never use any green or brown scouring pads for dry down spills. The presence of silicon carbide grits in them may even scratch the toughest of granites. Even Mr. Clean magic erasers can be strong enough abrasive to dull down your surface.
We certainly appreciate you joining us for these videos and sharing your wealth of knowledge about caring for natural stone.
It's my pleasure, Kelly. We love working with Arizona Tile and helping our customers take care of their incredible natural stone that they've selected with you.
If you missed the other videos Beyond Stone Solutions hosted with us, we'll link them in the description below. Leave us a comment and let us know if you have questions about cleaning or sealing your natural stone counters. We'd be happy to help. We pride ourselves on our knowledge and quality materials, and our goal is to make that accessible to you here. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos from us. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.
Have a great day.